Enable YouTube monetization. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show how to activate YouTube monetization once you've hit 1K subs and 4K watch hours. Enjoy content like this? Check out other related videos on the channel. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more videos. Let's get started. I'll open YouTube Studio app and do everything on mobile. Before we begin, congrats on your achievement. YouTube monetization isn't easy. Many quit, so well done for making it. To activate, click below. You'll see a notice about new revenue options. Now you can earn from video ads. Click Get Started to begin. Next, folks, click on Ads on the display page. Then click below to activate. Now you need to agree to the monetization terms. Before accepting, give it a read to clear any doubts. If you agree, check this box below. Then click Accept at the bottom. YouTube will auto-select and place ads. Check this box to let YouTube insert mid-roll ads if your video is over 8 minutes long. YouTube will automatically add ads mid-video. I'll click Next here. You can choose which videos to monetize. Most people select all their videos. I've selected all mine. Now I'll activate monetization. Great! Your videos are now being monetized. Just wait a bit for your partnership to update. Don't miss our next video on setting up payments. Did you manage? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.